Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to another great video. Don't mind the minion over my shoulder over here. He's just keeping an eye on me, making sure that I get everything done correctly. So it's always good to have some minions around. All right, so today we're going to be looking at GoogleKeep. One of the things that we need to be able to do is have quick access to notes, right? I mean, we have our website links, we've got contact information, all these different things that we need to have easy access to. And Google Keep is one of those tools that, I mean, I didn't really start doing a lot with it until recently. Once I started LiveGood and was reintroduced to Keep, and it is a good program, especially if you've already got your Gmail address. You already have access to this, and it's free. Now, I am a Microsoft Office user, and I love OneNote for certain things, and all the Office suite, but there is something to be said about just having a quick, simple, easy way to jot down notes without having to open OneNote, find your notebook, and all of that, right? So that's what we're going to look at today. And this is just continuing our series on Google resources. And if you want to go into more details on it or more in depth, we can look at that too. So here I am. I'm in Google Chrome, so I'm already logged in with my Google account. But if you weren't, you can just go to gmail.com or any of the Google services and log in. All right. But I'm just going to go straight to keep.google.com, and it's going to take me straight to my Google Keep page. And again, if you weren't logged in, it would prompt you to log in. All right. And if you are logged in already, you can either type in the web address, and I would go ahead and bookmark it just so it's quick and easy to get back to from your bookmark bar. But if you're logged in on any of the Google services, you can just come over here to this menu with the with the multi rows of dots. And these are all the Google services. And then you can just click on Keep. Okay. And here you can see, I've already got some notes in here. I shared this with from my main account. I shared this over here. So I've already got all of my links for the various LiveGood pages in it. The direct links from the customer, from our back office, and then my own domain links. So no matter what I'm working with, I've got an easy way to get to my links. Okay. And I'm going to turn on dark mode. Just for me, it's a little bit easier to see when it's dark like this. So to create a new note, we just come up here on the top. We can give it a title. And then we can start just typing our notes. Okay. Now, notice you can set reminders for your notes. You can share it with other people. So I can do I can share this with other folks, and then it would show up on my screen. So you can really go in and do collaborate and do team note taking with this as well, which is really cool. you can come in here and add in background colors to your notes. So if you've got a lot of notes, it can help them stand out a little bit more. Or you could even do background images. You can add add pictures and images to your to your document as well. So let's just do let's see. We'll just do this one. We'll pop this one up. So you can add images in if you want to. I'll take that out because it can be a little, they can be a little large if you're not careful. So you can just hit the trash can and it'll go away. You can archive your notes so that it's not on your board here, but it's still accessible. You can add labels to it so you can kind of folderize and sort notes. You can add a drawing, so it'll give you the ability to come in here and you can come in here and do like a whiteboard, and it will include those drawings on your note. You can copy them. Also like using this to make check boxes. Okay. So then we just come down in here. And if there's sub items, you can just slide it, click on these these 6 little dots here, and you can slide it over. All right. So now as you complete your tasks, it will mark them off. Okay. So now you've got a board and you create all your different notes, and it's basically like sticky notes. So you can slide them around, rearrange your board however you want to do it. The nice thing, if you put links in here, as you can see, the links, not only are they here where you can just copy and paste them out into your whatever you're working on, but you can also, it'll also give you a shortcut so you can go straight to the site. Okay. And then you've got over here on the left, you've got all your folders. So if you set reminders, they would all show up here. You can view your archives folder, your trash bin. And the other nice thing about this is where to go? You can add the image, you can do the backgrounds and options. You can also, if you're using Google Docs, you can also copy this note. Use that button to copy it into Google Docs. And lo and behold, your note is now a document. Okay. So again, this is just a quick little overview of Google Keep, and I will do a follow-up once I get my screencaster working right, so I can show what it looks like from the phone. So everything is synchronized and in sync. and you've always got access to these resources. So just another way to help help out. And if you know you're going to start off on a list, you can already start your note as a list item up here at the top instead of creating it like we did a minute ago. And so that's basically Google Keep in a nutshell. I hope you found this video useful, and we'll continue on looking at some of the various Google services and functions as we go. One of the things, I can give you just another quick example. One of the things I'm using this for is to keep up with title ideas or videos that I want to make for the channel. Okay. And then I can just check them off as I go, as well as all my affiliate links and those things that I want to have that quick access to. All right. Hope you found this useful. And again, this can be used, doesn't have to be just for LiveGood stuff. It can be for, personal or anything. So if there's anything that you'd like to see extra or other demos or things, let me know in the comments down below. Like the video, subscribe, share, and let's continue to make it a great day.